Is this the most balanced high-yield ETF in Canada right now? Today we're diving into HHIS, the Harvest Diversified High Income Shares ETF. This is a fund of funds designed to generate high monthly income by combining 15 different Harvest single stock ETFs, each writing covered calls and using moderate leverage. But before you get too excited by that juicy 23.46% yield, let's break it down. Because yield is only one part of the story. What really matters is sustainability, NAV performance, tax drag, and excess return. HHIS isn't just another passive income ETF. It's an actively managed, leveraged fund that holds other Harvest ETFs, each writing covered calls on single stocks. The 25% leverage boosts yield and growth potential, but it also adds risk. This is not a set it and forget it product. It requires understanding the strategy, the holdings, and the environment it works best in, volatile but upward trending markets. From April to June 2025, HHIS jumped from $10.25 to $12.41, a 21% increase. That's a very strong signal early on. But this is early. The real test will be how it holds up during flat or bearish markets. But so far, HHIS starts to separate itself from the pack. Unlike most high-income ETFs, which have suffered heavy NAV erosion, HHIS has kept its NAV relatively stable. That's impressive, especially in a volatile year like 2025. HHIS pays 25 cents per share on a monthly basis, or $3 annually, which on a 12.84 net asset value gives you a yield of 23.46%. That's reasonably high, and the payout has been consistent so far. HHIS gives you built-in diversification across tech, crypto, healthcare, and consumer stocks. Names like Nvidia, Broadcom, Eli Lilly, Costco, and MicroStrategy, it's a strong lineup. It lowers risk, spreads volatility across multiple sectors, and reduces the chance that one stock tanks the whole portfolio. Just be aware that it's still heavily weighted toward tech, so you're not fully insulated from sector-wide downturns. Volatility is the fuel for option premiums. HHIS holds stocks with high beta, so it can generate solid income. But the fund uses covered calls on only 50% of each position, which balances income generation with upside capture. HHIS is structured to minimize U.S. dividend exposure. Most of the distribution comes from option premiums and capital gains. That's good for Canadian investors. The fund has a 0% management fee at the top level, but the underlying ETFs average about 0.40% combined, so your true cost is under 1%, which is fair considering the active management and income potential. Is HHIS perfect? Not necessarily, but compared to other high-yield ETFs, it offers a more balanced approach. You get high yield, diversified exposure, early signs of NAV stability, reasonable costs, and tax efficiency. But you also face leverage risk and sector concentration in tech. If you're looking for a high-income ETF to park in a TFSA or RRSP, and you want a little bit of everything, growth, income, and diversification, HHIS might be one of the best Canadian options right now. What do you think about HHIS? Are you already holding it, or is it on your watch list? Let me know in the comments. And if you found value in this breakdown, give it a like and subscribe for more honest takes on high-income investing. Until next time.